Ansham and Sama. Today I will tell you how to swallow a biscuit without munching. First, put the biscuit into your mouth. Then, use your tongue to hit the middle part of the biscuit. After you have done that, and break it into two pieces. After you have done that, take some saliva and mix it with the two pieces.
Take some saliva.
Then use your tongue to crush the two pieces on your tongue and push it on your upper part of the mouth. Then it will become into smaller pieces. Then swallow the smaller pieces. Thank you.